Yeah, good evening, Steve. If this all sounds familiar when it comes to the voter ID law, that's because it's been in and out of courts here in North Carolina for the past 5 years. Now today, the North Carolina Supreme Court finally saying that 2018 law is okay.
But if you look at the ID law, everyone's going to get to vote, even if they don't have an ID. If they don't have an ID, they could say, I had a reasonable impediment and couldn't vote. Please let me cast a ballot. They'll cast the ballot. It's there are more than 30 states that have voter ID laws. Ours is one of the most permissive. It allows so many different people to vote, even if they don't have an ID. So there's nothing about it that could have discriminated against anyone of any race or of any group. And then on the felon voting, this case.
So let's back this up to 2018. That's when North Carolina voters decided to pass a law that would require a voter ID at the polls for many voters. Now, that law was challenged for racially discriminating against black voters and violating their equal protections. And it was ultimately blocked in 2021. But Republicans regained control of the Supreme Court this year and decided to revive it. In general, the issue of requiring an ID to vote is an issue for Democrats because they argue voting fraud is rare and needing to show an ID in order to vote suppresses voters. But many Republicans say the ID is needed to prevent voter fraud and increases confidence in elections. Now, voting rights advocate Bob Phillips tells us today the latest ruling adds barriers to voting for North Carolinians.
Ultimately, we want a democracy that, again, reflects everybody's values in North Carolina, not distorted to one particular view. And the hope is just for everybody to keep engaged and to stay informed, and again, to exercise that constitutional right and vote.
And I'm told the next step is for the State Board of Elections to issue some sort of guidance, but as it stands right now, you will likely need an ID when you go to the polls next. Live in Raleigh, Samantha Kumura, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.